Discover the secret to transforming your hair forever. Have you ever imagined that shampooing your hair could be the key to achieving the hair of your dreams? It's not just a fantasy, it's real. With one simple yet powerful method, you can make your hair softer, shinier, and stronger, significantly reduce hair fall, and even promote new hair growth. Whether you're a busy professional, a student, or someone always on the go, this easy routine fits perfectly into any schedule. All you need are 2 natural ingredients to transform your regular shampoo into a powerful hair care solution. Here's how it works. Rinse rice thoroughly and soak it in water overnight. The next morning, strain the water and set it aside. Mix the rice water with your regular shampoo. Add natural aloe vera gel to the mixture. Fresh aloe vera gel can be used for the best results, but store-bought gel can also be used as an alternative. Now, wash your hair with this blend just as you would with your usual shampoo. With consistent use, you'll notice your hair becoming stronger, longer, and more vibrant. Say goodbye to hair fall and dullness. It's time for your hair to shine. Try this method and experience the magic for yourself. Share your results with us because you deserve effortlessly perfect hair. Stay tuned for more game-changing tips that will elevate your hair